Appraisers get the value, and brokers show you how to. Cash flow to cash buyer, giggity like Quagmire. Discounted down payments, let me call my Esquire. FHA loans got me singing like the blessed choir.
Damn, John boy.
Geography let you see the comps and more than you think. Even information on a general warranty deed. Homeowners need insurance just in case you break a joist. Kitchen smell like Baker's Choice. LTV, ARV, tell the lender make a choice. Surfing through the MLS, feeling like I wake the board. National Association of them realtors. We can show you open houses and them villa tours. I pull up like, what's the property type? File a quick claim deed if the offer is nice. Whether real estate owned or real estate invested, I'ma always be a resident, forever indebted. Skip tracing databases, avoiding them tax liens, battling them cash offers like I need a vaccine. 10-4, get it under contract. Got to with a VA loan, now we gotta walk through. Punch list, X mark the house like a spot do. Yielded my profits, why would you want me not to? Zillow anything, I'm ready in any zone. Find it with Pete if you're looking for any home.